Good morning guys, be strong and keep spirit. My viewers, this morning I share about DIY making pot easy and unique for mango tree bonsai, wax apple plant and hobby gardening ideas.
This pot is made of fiberglass thick 1.2 mm. If thick below 1.2 mm, then it breaks easily like the photo above. The color of this pot is brown. Other colors are black and white. This matter over 3 years is still good, like in my farm. The conditions still good, like next video. This fiberglass sheet is perforated. The distance is 5 by 5 cm, as many as 261 holes. Function as oxygen circulation, translucent sunlight into the pot. So the roots of this tree become healthy. The volume of this pot is 75 liters. This is a wax-shaped tree. The variant is red honey. 1 kilo contains 7 until 10 fruits, sweet, crunchy, and seedless. Fruit plants in pot every 2 years. Need to be repotting in a way, fruit cutting, because its root growth is fasted, its container is limited. The roots fill the inner pot, then the way is done repotting. The next way is repotting. Repotting is now done by cutting the roots. Start finding 5 nylon cable ties, then cut the nylon cable ties. After repotting, the planting media is reduced. Put the mixture consisting of compost, coco peat, and manure into the pot. And then pour lots of water. 1 week later, it starts to leak fertilizer. Is this really easy, cheap, and unique? Please comment below. Next, follow how to make this pot starting from the beginning until can be used. There are 15 steps on how to make this pot. Let's go.